chop goes brop brop. Oh shit, I see cops. No, we don't stop. Wheelies in parking lots. I don't give a fuck if it's dark or not.
Told y'all we don't care, no, we don't give a fuck what y'all think. That's right. Hey, we don't care. I thought I told y'all we don't care, no, we don't give a fuck what you think. Hey, Mr. Politician, we don't apply your vision. We see the planet different, but you don't manage to listen. My team the new entourage, no Jeremy Piven. I'm like the Fresh Prince, just minus the Aunt Vivian. So the younger generation, they feeling my pain more than they feeling the way that you run your campaign. Sometimes I put money over making a change. I'm just trying to make some change while making a change. The preacher trying to tell me that God is the way, as he pull up in his Bentley and parks it away. These days it's getting harder and harder to stay. I take a look in my hood and they too starving to pray. I'm just thinking about the people in awful positions. Truthfully, the only thing that saved me was awesome musicians. So I put on for us. If you don't understand, we don't give a fuck. I thought I told y'all we don't care, no, we don't give a fuck what y'all think. Hey, hey, that's right. I thought I told y'all we don't care, no, we don't give a fuck what you think. Hey, Truth be told, I'm just trying to unify some people, take away their ugly side and beautify some people. I hate the corporate world cause they cubicalizing people, so I take my blessings and put good music inside the people. Damn, Y-O to the N-A, S for me serving food for thought like Penne. Olive vodka and vodka splash on the rocks and I'm swaggy, so even if you boxed you couldn't knock me or jab me. I'm like, Mr. Officer, I know that I'm inebriated. I'm under pressure looking for something to alleviate it. If you ever felt judged or unappreciated through that emotion alone.
Kaj ćemo. Ja sam mislio tam proći. Ajde idemo.
I've had some people in my life who know just what it do. I try to look for goodness even when I see bad. I've seen some souls be friendly, I've seen some feet get loose. I've had some people in my life who know just what it do. I try to look for goodness even when I see bad. 98 when I made my first beat tape, I was tripping, I was thinking I could be great. 4-track test cam in my briefcase, back when I got my Jordan straight up out of East Bay. I was just 15 with some big dreams, big shoes, big heart, no big screen, big talls, big balls, no fig leaves, double XL, well before I spit at 16. I was tripping, I was waiting for the right time. I was tripping, I was looking for the right place. I was tripping, I was searching for the right words. Took a wrong turn, now my head is in the right space. I was tripping, I was taking all the wrong pills. I was tripping, I was writing all the wrong wrongs. I was tripping, I was writing all the right songs. Looking for a miracle, you're fucking with the right one. I've seen some souls be friendly, I've seen some feet get loose. I've had some people in my life who know just what it do. I try to look for goodness even when I see bad. Yeah. I guess it started with a big bang, like a gunshot. Then the fall came and we all stopped. Never school for the fools when the sun dropped. We were having mad fun running from the young cops. I was on that low brow, thinking too much. Cynicism hit me early like the cold crush. Did the knowledge into college and I froze up. Realized I ain't even working on my post up. Had a good shot though, with a big chip. Thought my shoulders would be holding to that dope shit. I dreaming about beats. I was biding my time, I was sowing these seeds. I was too cold to know that I ain't old enough, too grown to know that I ain't growing up. Two tones was home, so just throw it up. Black Paisley is back, so just blow it up. I seen some souls be friendly, I seen some feet get loose. I've had some people in my life who know just what it do. I try to look for goodness, even when I see bad. Yeah, I am that two-tone rebel, Paisley stain. I got some skin so...
Se prepara.